I have provided a gold texture pack in the description. Let's use this textures to create this title animation. First I am going to create a new composition. This is a standard 24 fps composition. Duration will be something around 5 seconds. Let's change the composition name to main. Let's click OK. I have provided you with few assets in the description. Let's ping this PNG file here and auto trace. Change the tolerance value to something around 3 and say change the threshold to something around 100. Change the minimum area to 300 and channel to alpha, and then tick the apply to new layer and then just click OK. Source, and then create a new solid. Call this element. Let's go to effects and presets and search for element. Apply the element to this layer and then select a layer. I have provided the texture file in the description. Let's extract this and then select this, open it and then select the gold textures and copy it. Go to users, see users, public documents, video copilot, and then materials, and just paste it here. Let's change the mask to source and then go to scene setup. Let's click extrude, change this to 0 and then open it. I have closed this and then I duplicated it and then I change this to 1 and then duplicate it, change this to 2. Let's open this and then hold Alt and click this and then open this, hold Alt and click this. Let's select this layer and then go to UV mode, UV mapping, and then change the repeat value to something like 3, and then let's copy this and then go to second one and paste. Let's select this. It's time to apply our textures. Change this to material mode and then open it and then apply like this. So we are done. I have provided you a 3D model in the description. Select normalize size, so change the size and then select the gold T2 and apply it to this layer, and let's bring this down. Right click and then let's create a new camera, 10 to 35 mm 2-node camera, disable depth of field and let's click OK. Let's press C to toggle between the different camera modes. I'm choosing this one. Just move it like this. Let's press C and hold shift to bring it like this. Let's go to group 3 and go to group utilities and create a group null just like this. Select the null, change this to lock control, and then choose this tool called pan behind tool, and let's move it on the x-axis. This will change the anchor point of our controller just like this. Let's press R for the rotation and then go to Z rotation, take keyframe and Z rotation, change the value to 12, go to 12 frames, change the value to -12, go to 1 second, copy this and paste, and then select this one, go to graph editor, go to speed graph, and then press F9 and select this one, press F9, select this one and press F9 and change this to value graph. Let's select this, press ECs and select this one, press ECIN and select this and press ECs, and let's select this one. Let's bring it this way slightly and let's bring this way. Let's select this and slightly bring it this way, something like this. Let's come back. Let's hold Alt and click this stopwatch. Change this to loop out, capital O, and let's change the resolution to half and let's play the animation. Create a keyframe and Y rotation. Change this to something around -15 and then go to 1 second and change the value to -15. Let's copy the first one and paste it on 2 second. Select, hold Alt and click this stopwatch. Change the value to apply an expression called loop out. Let's play the animation. So this is what we got. Let's right click and create a null object. Create a keyframe on position. Come to first frame and bring it like this. Let's parent link to our first layer. Bring it like this. And now this works. And then let's change the Y rotation to something around 180 and X rotation to something around 90 and create 2 keyframes. Let's press U to reveal everything and select this layer. Go to graph editor. Make sure you are in the value graph. Let's select this, press ECs out and select this one. Move to few frames. After this, let's bring it up. Let's focus on this. Let's create a keyframe like this and move to something around 8 frames. create a keyframe like this, and create another keyframe like this, and select this keyframe and bring it up something like this, something around a value of 1.10, and come to this keyframe and change this value to something around 0.9, and come to this keyframe and make sure it's in 1, and select this keyframe, maybe change this to 1.2,